Have you ever stood in front of a vending machine, pressed a button, and watched your snack drop into the tray? It feels almost effortless, like a little bit of magic in your day. But behind that glass window is a surprisingly complex system working in perfect harmony to deliver exactly what you chose, all in just a few seconds. So how do vending machines actually work? Let's take a closer look. At their core, vending machines rely on three main systems: payment, selection, and dispensing. Each one has to work flawlessly, or you're left empty-handed. Let's start with payment. Modern vending machines are more versatile than ever. They can accept coins, bills, credit cards, and even mobile payments. But the machine doesn't just take your money and move on. It checks to make sure what you've inserted is real. For coins, the machine measures the size, weight, and even the metal composition. For bills, it uses light sensors to scan for specific patterns and markings. If your payment is valid, the machine adds the amount to your balance. If not, it spits it right back out, saving you from losing your money to a faulty bill or a foreign coin. Once your payment is accepted, it's time to make your selection. When you press a button, maybe B4 for chips or C7 for a chocolate bar, you're actually sending a signal to a small computer inside the machine. This computer checks two things. Do you have enough money, and is the item you want still in stock? If both answers are yes, the machine gets ready to deliver your snack. Now comes the part everyone looks forward to: dispensing. Most snacks inside a vending machine are held in spiral-shaped coils. Each product sits between the twists of the coil, waiting its turn. When you make your selection, a motor turns the coil just enough to push one item forward. As the coil rotates, your snack moves closer to the edge until it finally drops into the tray below. That satisfying thud isn't random. It's carefully engineered so only one item comes out at a time. For drinks, the process is a little different. Bottles and cans are usually stacked in vertical columns. When you make your choice, a mechanism at the bottom releases just one drink, and gravity does the rest, sending your beverage tumbling down to you. But what happens if something goes wrong? Maybe your snack gets stuck, or nothing drops at all. Many modern vending machines have sensors that detect whether the item actually fell. If it didn't, the machine can try again or refund your money, so you don't have to resort to shaking the machine. All of these actions are coordinated by a central control board, the brain of the vending machine. It keeps track of payments, inventory, and even reports errors. Some newer machines are connected to the internet, allowing operators to monitor stock levels and fix problems remotely. So the next time you grab a snack from a vending machine, remember, you're not just pressing a button, you're setting off a chain of precise mechanical and digital actions, all designed to deliver that one perfect treat. And now the only question left is, what's your favorite vending machine snack?